mi piace il salmone. Oggi sto facendo un salmone con la lavanda e il miele. Però prima devo preparare il filetto di salmone. Wait a second. Caught in a moment in Italy. I love salmon. And I'm making salmon with lavender and honey. But first, I need to prepare my fillet of salmon. You need a pair of tweezers. Use your finger and just run it all along. If you feel something that pinches you, guess what? It needs to come out. And in the warmer months, I love cooking this on the grill. But for the rest of the months, a simple baking sheet lined with some parchment paper makes for a no-fuss cleanup. All right, I'm gonna make a little glaze for this. Couple of simple things. I'm gonna use some honey. Look at that golden color. Something tart, perfect with some lemon. And I'm gonna cut up my lemon slices too, just to garnish the salmon with. And a little extra virgin olive oil on this. This on the salmon, oh, it's gonna cook into that nice fillet. It's gonna be sweet. I'm gonna pour some of this gold goodness right over this. Ugh. And the honey is actually gonna help crisp up all of the edges of salmon. A little salt and pepper. And what could be prettier than a couple of lemon slices over top? And now for my favorite part, the lavender. Now, lavender you may think is very floral. That's why I'm keeping the pieces really large like this. So it's gonna cook on top of the salmon, it's gonna flavor it, but you don't actually have to eat the sprigs of lavender. I just wanna get that lavender essence. Now, these are as pretty as can be. Have a look at the purple flowers. Now, these are precious, so I'm gonna put just a couple on the salmon to garnish. Now, this is not gonna take very long, but I do wanna have those crispy little edges on the side, and the filet in the center is gonna be nice and soft. It's gonna be so good. Smells so good. Now this looks even more beautiful now than it did before I went in the oven. And it's even more delicious because I'm gonna be able to taste this. Now, I cook this skin on just because I really like the flavor and the moisture that it keeps in the salmon. But you can certainly cook it with skin off. It's your choice. Oh, look at that. I like leaving it on the platter just like this. And honestly, because I can't get enough of those pretty flowers, I'm just gonna snip one or two more. Now, like I told you, if lavender is too strong for you, these little crispy lavender leaves, once it's cooked, you can just put to the side because the salmon's absorbed all of that flavor. Ah. Now, obviously, I remove the skin in this little bite. Look at this. Look at that edge. Wow. I mean, the salmon just flakes up in your mouth. So the first thing I get is the sweetness of the honey, that nice lemon flavor, and at the end, that floral lavender. Oh, I love it.